Hello everyone, this is my video blog for this month, and today is the meet and greet with Happy Sleep, aka Christine Gambino, the female, the Filipino female who is a YouTube star and also now a super internet celebrity. And there will be a gathering with the Happy Sleep fans today in Magnet Cafe, which is organized by the Happy Sleep Productions and Yehe.com. And I'm very excited to meet her because I'm viewing her video since she started, and I contacted her through her website. That was, I think, 2006, and I asked permission to her to use two of her videos about video blogging, and then she replied and just showed some clips about using the YouTube, the internet, and some fun stuff about Happy Sleep. So that's all for today, and I'm very excited to see her personally. And thank you for the people who organized this event. And tomorrow there will be another meet and greet with Happy Sleep. The same venue. Just check out the website of happysleep.com for some info. And gotta take a bath. Kagigising ko lang, and just relocated to another venue just for this video blog, because I haven't video blog for a week, for a month. And I'll just give you an update later. Okay? 1, 2, 3.